guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna give myself a haircut. I just, did a trim. This was the first time I did anything with my hair in almost a year. So I just want to show you guys what I do. If you want to see how I cut my hair, then just keep on watching. I have no idea when the last time I even cut my hair was. Let me find it. This could be a while. Oh my goodness. I realized that I was doing hair updates because I cut my hair. I really didn't keep up with it. I should have. I cut it November 5th, around that time. So, what day is it? It's almost been a year. I just took a shower. I was like,
I'm gonna cut my hair. Might as well make a video of me doing it.
My hair is like kind of long. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to comb my hair. You want to get all the tangles out. I really wish I kept up with the hair update. I did like a few. It really wasn't every month like I wanted. Oh man, I should do a last hair update before I cut it. I will do that after I brush my hair, comb my hair, whatever you want to call it.
Oh my gosh, my hair is so tangled because I took so long. I have to put moisturizer or like something.
I went ahead and put like moisturizer and I wet my hair a little bit more because it was in the towel for a really long time. Oh my gosh. So I just finished combing my hair and I always lose like so much hair after, probably because I don't comb my hair throughout the week. I only comb it when I wash it. I'm left with this much hair. I need to take one last pick with my hair.
I don't even know why I said pick like that. That was kind of weird.
I will be right back. I'm gonna go take this picture, wash my hands. Then I will show you guys how I cut my hair. Funny story. Literally just now I sat on Kicks. She like was blending in with my chair. I sat on her. I mean, I probably was paying attention to my phone and not on to like what I was sitting on. It's alright. She's fine. Say hello. Say hello. Next, I'm going to...
Dang, I forgot a hair tie.
Well, I'm not getting one. So, I'm going to use this hair headband thingy.
Do I have one? This is really...
I don't have one. Okay, I'm going to use it. I am going to just flip my head over. This actually does not take me that long. I'm just going to use this to hold my hair.
Oh man, I should have wrapped it twice.
Bring my hair to the front, brush it out as much as I can. It doesn't need to be too perfect because I don't really care. I have curly hair, you can't really tell anyway. I just wrapped it around twice, that's good enough.
Oh no, not good enough. Can I wrap it again? Oh no, I don't want to break it.
It's alright. So I'm just going to twist my hair around.
Oh no, I need to brush it again. Where's my brush? Found it.
Smooth it out, get all the tangles out as much as possible. I'm just going to twist until I get to the very end. And all of this hair, what I'm gonna cut off. I don't want to cut too much. I'm trying to grow out my hair. Eventually, I want to get a deep cut. I'm just gonna cut however much. So it's like this much. I'm gonna hold it. And these are, it's just regular scissors. I don't have anything fancy schmancy. This is how much I cut off. Like that much. It was just the ends of my hair are a little dead. Now I have a little bit of a layer. That's pretty much all I do. And then I have bangs, but I don't know how I feel about bangs. I usually do like a little zhuzh, but I'm kind of lazy. But I kind of want bangs.
Next step for the bangs.
Brush my hair forward.
Oh man, I really need a hair tie.
On this side of my hair, I'm going to make a little section of where my bangs are gonna come from. I kind of already go off of what I have. I don't want too much. I already parted all of my bangs. Where I bring it all, I don't know if this even makes sense. I start my bangs, the arch of my eyebrow, so it like, my bangs end right here, and my arch of my eyebrow is the top right, is right like in the same line. I do the same to the other side, right here. I have all my bangs. I'm gonna make sure everything is brushed. Pretty much all of the hair that I already have is the same length besides these, but that's alright. I'm gonna do like the same thing as I did like the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna twist it in front of me. I'm not sure how short I want it. I'm just gonna start with this much. I'm just gonna cut the top of it though. This is how much I cut off. And when I unravel it, it is right here at the cheeks. and then when it curls up, it'll go higher. And I think I'm just gonna leave it. That's like how I cut my hair. It might be a little bit weird because I just have bangs like curly over here. My layers are long. That's why I usually cut that like on the side. I'm kind of lazy and I want my hair to grow out. So that's pretty much it. I am gonna go do my hair and I will be right back to show you what it is. This is how much hair, about this much is how much I cut off. I'm gonna go run some errands. I usually let my hair air dry and I don't diffuse unless I really need to because I'm going somewhere or something. I will be back later. I will show you guys the end result. I am back. I went out for about 4
hours? Yeah. Oh god. I went shopping for some new kitchen stuff, like pots and pans, utensils. Get back to the real video.
This is my hair completely dry. It goes to right above my boobs, or like right where the middle of it. And my bangs are not that long, but they're not that short either. I could still put them up in a ponytail. Like that's like my thing. Like I need to be able to put my bangs up in a ponytail because it's really irritating when I can't. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to record like the next time I actually get my hair cut, which hopefully I get a diva curl haircut. Wait, a diva cut. Like this video and thanks so much for watching. All my socials will be linked down below and I will see you in my next video.
Bye!